Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center model MV4020, serial number AV5E3299. This machine was new in 2008, and we are going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 21 IMB control. It has an 8,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle. Right now he's running the Z vertical. It's nice and quiet. You have 24.6 inches of Z, 20.1 of Y. He's running the Y right now, and 40.2 of X. All the axes are nice and quiet. Table size is 47.2 by 19.7. It is T-slotted. You have boxways. We're going to do a tool change. You have a 30 side mount automatic tool changer. 30 tool. Finding a tool. There you go. We're going to do another. Okay. We're going to run the spindle. 1500 RPM. Yeah. Okay. 3500 RPM. 6,000 RPM. All right. Again, this machine does also have coolant through and a chip conveyor, and we have the manuals. All right. Thank you for watching our video.